Reviewing this awesome waterproof jacket. The inside is made of breathable mesh fabric. The outside is made of a waterproof fabric. The materials are soft, thin and light, skin-friendly, and comfortable. The fit looks so good. The zippers are high quality and it opens and closes smoothly. It has 3 hidden pockets, one on the chest. And the other 2 are on each side. It has a hood that you can use when it is raining. The best part about the hood is that it is detachable. The materials used are military grade, so these are durable. Look how easy it is to be removed. The jacket even looks better without the hood. All in all, I will rate it with fit 10 out of 10, comfortability 10 out of 10, aesthetic 10 out of 10, materials 10 out of 10, durability 10 out of 10.